Maggie, who is that? Who is that? Who is it? Is that Justin? Who is that? Go see him. Go look, Maggie. Who is it? Wanna say hi? Come on. Go see Justin. Go see Maggie, come on. Let's go over here. You wanna say hi, Justin? You wanna make sure he doesn't come and get you? You wanna make sure he doesn't... What's he gonna do? Is he gonna get you? What's he gonna do? Huh? Okay, Maggie. Come on. Hey, come here. Come on, you wanna go see? You wanna say hi, Justin? Look. What's he going to... Oh!